today we're going to continue working with steps and skips, but we're going to do it in the context of slightly longer excerpts so that you can practice figuring out whether something is moving stepwise or skipwise, and also get more practice with drawing the shapes. So for this series of exercises, I recommend having a pencil and some scrap paper just so you can keep track of the contours of the music as you're going through it. So with each question, there's two components. I want you to identify if it's a stepwise or skipwise motion, or if it's what shape that the motion is drawing. So the contour for this one, it skips, and we're moving up, and we dip down a little bit. We have another skipwise excerpt where we're moving up, and then we're going down the slope a little lower from where we started. Okay, this is stepwise motion. And we're moving up a little and then down a little bit more. This is a purely descending pattern in steps. Down, down, down. Okay, so this, we have some skips, but with repeated. So we're drawing a straight line, and then dip down in another straight line. This is another skipwise motion. We're skipping up, and we come right back to where we started. So just a nice little bump. That's the shape of that particular one. A nice little bump for this one as well. We're just moving up in a step and then coming back down. A stepwise pattern that's dipping down and back to where you started and up a little bit higher than where we started. Last set. This is a purely descending skipping motion. We're moving lower and lower still.